Today, I'm gonna be discussing condensation versus seal failure and how you guys can differentiate between the two. I'm also gonna be giving you some helpful tips on how to control the humidity in your home so that you can remediate this if it's a problem for you. My name is Michael DiMartino, and I've been in the remodeling and home improvement industry for over 20 years. I've also been featured on bobvila.com and realtor.com as a home expert. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Depending on the weather and the climate in your region, you might notice condensation on the glass of your windows. So that is caused when your house is humid and it's contacting the cooler part of the wall, which is the glass. As well insulated as our windows are, the glass is always going to be the coldest part of your wall. So to differentiate between condensation or seal failure, if you can take a paper towel or a rag and wipe the condensation off of the glass, that is not necessarily a service issue. If you have seal failure, where the condensation is in between the panes of glass and you can't wipe it away, you're gonna wanna call us at 888-REMODEL and report that. But the condensation is happening very naturally. What you wanna do is maybe think of ways to reduce the humidity in your home. People install dehumidifiers. The other thing you could do is maybe just crack the window open while you're taking a shower to allow some of that fresh air in. The reason that you didn't have this problem before was because your old windows were probably draftier than our well-insulated, energy-efficient windows. Please let us know in the comments any topics that you guys would like to see us address in future videos. And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell icon so you're notified first when we do release those videos. For any lingering issues, call us at 888-REMODEL or visit our website at powerhrg.com.